In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a spell check in Google Sheets. If you've ever shared a spreadsheet and spotted a typo right after hitting send, this walkthrough will help you clean things up quickly and confidently. We'll use Google Sheets' built-in spell checker, and I'll show you exactly how to control what gets checked and how to handle each suggestion. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Decide whether you want to scan everything or only a specific part. If you only want to check certain cells, maybe a notes column or a range of labels, click and drag to highlight that selection. If you'd like to check the entire sheet, simply make sure nothing is selected. Leaving no cells highlighted tells Google Sheets to review the whole document. Next, move to the top toolbar and click on the Tools menu. From there, hover over Spelling and then choose Spell Check. As soon as you do, a panel will slide in on the right side of your screen. This panel is your control center. It shows you one potential misspelling at a time, along with a suggested correction. Take a moment to read each suggestion in context. When the panel shows a word, glance at the cell it's referencing to make sure the suggestion makes sense. If it does, click Change to accept the correction. If the word is actually correct, maybe it's a brand name, a project code, or an acronym, you have two choices. Click Ignore to skip this one instance, or click Add to Dictionary if it's a word you use often and don't want flagged in the future. Adding a word to your personal dictionary helps reduce noise the next time you run a spell check across your files. Work through the suggestions at a comfortable pace. You'll notice that the tool moves automatically from one flagged word to the next within your selected range, or, if nothing was selected, across the entire sheet. Keep going until there are no more suggestions. When the spell check completes, you'll see a confirmation that there are no remaining potential typos. That's it. You've just polished your sheet with a thorough spell check. As a quick tip, consider running this process anytime you finish a round of edits or before sharing your spreadsheet. It's a small step that makes your data look professional and easy to read. If you update your content later, you can repeat these exact steps to keep everything consistent and error-free.